what is 0.05% as a fraction in simplest form. So just rewrite this. 0.05% means 1 over 100. Now multiply, divided by 100. Okay, 10 100, these are called power of 10. So to divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left. Equal number of places, that is, here we have two zeros, so decimal point will move two places, one place, two place. Decimal 0005. You can add more zero to mean that this is less than 1. Now we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting, 0.0005, and for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10. We have 4 digits, so write 410. Divide this 5. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, so we'll get 1. This is divisible by 5, we'll get 2. So basically we are getting 1 over this. 1 times 1 times 1, 1, add zeros. 2, 2 times 1, 2, add zeros. So the only common factor between 1 and 2000 is 1. So this is the result.